Welcome to the Car Vaults, where we dive deep into the upgrades that truly deliver a difference. Today we're unlocking the real secrets of engine modding. No flash, no hype, just the mods that transform your car for the better. Nearly 90% of modifications don't live up to their promises, but this rundown highlights the 13 that have been tested on dynos, proven on the track, and lived with every day. Whether your goal is more power, better efficiency, or rock-solid reliability, these upgrades are the ones that will move the needle. Let's start at the gateway of your engine, the air filter. Many scoff at this mod as a gimmick, but a quality high-flow filter noticeably sharpens throttle response, smooths idle, and might even save you a bit at the pump. The reusable, washable ones rise above the rest. Just be certain not to over-oil them and absolutely avoid bargain basement filters, which can do more harm than good by damaging sensors and choking airflow. It's a simple change that transforms every drive. This is where hidden power lives. With a professional ECU Remap, your car's true potential comes alive. Optimize fuel, ignition, and boost maps reprogram your engine for urgency and smoothness you never knew you had. Always go to an expert. DIY or budget flash tools can leave you stranded, facing repairs that cost more than the car itself. It's more than just a sound upgrade. A thoughtfully engineered performance exhaust means reduced back pressure, a more even torque curve, and a refined growl every time you unleash the throttle. Top quality materials matter here. Oversized pipes or cheap steel can rob you of the fun and durability you expect from a car built right. Done right, a cold air intake system lets your engine gulp down denser, cooler air for a punchier response across the rev range. The placement must channel air from outside the hot engine bay, forging real gains rather than chasing pipe dreams. Cut corners here and you're better off stock. Not all upgrades are about more power, some are about feel. Swapping to a lightweight pulley kit can make your engine rev happier and sharper, immediately noticeable as you tap the gas. It's critical to stay balanced though. Overshooting with an ultralight crank pulley risks the heart of your engine for little gain. Don't underestimate the current flowing through your ignition system. A strong set of spark plugs and coils gives you cleaner, more consistent combustion. Cold starts become smoother and combustion more reliable, giving you that little edge in efficiency and a lot of peace of mind on long hauls. If you're running a naturally aspirated engine and need more punch, the performance camshaft is where science and sensation meet. Timing the valves for more aggressive breathing unlocks new RPM territory and throttle response, but only with supporting valve train upgrades and precise tuning. The unsung hero of engine longevity, an oil catch traps the oily vapors before they can foul up your intake and gunk your valves, critical for modern turbo or direct injection setups. Choose a unit with real filtration and your maintenance schedule and engine will thank you. Cooling is the insurance policy for every engine mod. An aluminum radiator outshines stock units, dissipating heat faster and holding strong even when you push hard, keeping temps in check whether you're carving canyons or stuck in stop and go. For boosted engines, nothing saves money and heartache like a turbo timer and a programmable boost controller. Timers keep your turbo spooling down safely after a spirited drive, while the controller lets you walk that fine line between thrills and engine-killing overboost. Breathing better only matters if you can feed the beast. Upgraded injectors and a robust fuel pump ensure your engine isn't starved as airflow and power rise. Get the sizing right for your build and trust that well-fed engines live long, happy lives. Every forced induction setup deserves this. A performance intercooler keeps intake temps chilly, protecting against detonation and wringing out every last pony from your turbo or supercharger, especially when you dial up the boost. This is where the big power stories begin. Forced induction done right means serious performance, but it demands the full ecosystem of mods supporting hardware and expert tuning. Do it once and do it right and you'll be rewarded with thrills on demand. Cut corners and you'll be staring down a rebuild. Now let's talk about what not to do. Not every mod in the spotlight deserves your money. Skip the cheap universal turbo kits unless you're eager for a catastrophic failure and a hefty repair bill. Forget electric superchargers and octane booster snake oils. They're built for wishful thinking, not real gains. Showy blow-off valves and whistles, they turn heads but don't add a millisecond of speed, and the surest way to lose it all, mixing random mods with zero tuning. Modern engines won't tolerate it, and you'll pay the price with drivability nightmares, or worse. Modifying a car isn't about chasing the shiniest part. It's about building a system where every upgrade complements the next. Quality, compatibility, and careful calibration. Always research your local laws, and remember, the smartest builds are the ones that run fast, run healthy, and last. So, which engine mod would you trust as your next upgrade? Share your stories in the comments, and if you love this level of detail, show the Car Vault some love with a like, a share, and a subscription. Join us again next time as we unlock the world of cars 1 volt at a time. See you on the next ride.